number 1. Anybody want to volunteer their answer that they got for number 1? Avaya. You got 9? That's what I got. Good. Number 1 is 9. You plug 2 in for X and you get 9. Number 2. Do we agree or disagree? So you have 3 times 2 minus 5. I agree. Now, I just wanted to get your classmates talking. Okay, number 3. Miss Abby, what did you get for 3? Okay, so we have 2 plus 3 squared. I also got 11. Okay, Ezra, what'd you get for 4? Okay, so you have 2 cubed plus 3 plus 4 squared. So you got 8 plus 3 plus 16. We all agree that's 27. Here's that's the blank though. Okay. Oh, here's the front page too that went with it then. Okay. Luke. Sierra, what'd you get for 5? Okay, so we have 6 times 4/5 plus 8 times 3/5. So she said she got 9 and what? So 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 and 24 is 48/5. So good. 5 goes into 48 9 times with 3 remaining. Did anybody have 9.6? You had 9.6. That works also. Okay, number 6. So 4/5 plus 3/5, you get 23 minus 7/5. So how do we simplify that? How many of you used a calculator? How many of you stopped? Because you're like, I don't know what to do. Okay, well, that's good. Nobody said they stopped. Okay, so did you get answers that are decimals? Or did you turn it back to a fraction? What'd you get, Zoe? 22.8. I just got 21.6. Anybody else have anything different than that? What'd you have, Sarah? Okay, so did you added the 7 and then the 1/5? So you got to be careful. So 7/5, guys, that's the same as 1.4. So this is division. Order of operations say we divide first. So what you could do is turn 7 divided by 5 into a decimal. You could even have done that up here with the 4/5 and the 3/5. So 4/5 is 0.8. 3/5 is 0.6. So you could have added 0.8 and 0.6 together instead of the fractions to get 1.4. Now we all know that 23 take away 1.4 should be 21.6. Does that help a lot? Do you want to see it again? Do you need to see the work for that again? 23 minus 4/5 plus 3/5. Change your division. Now do your parentheses. Then subtract. Remember, guys, if you miss these, you should copy down that correct work. Number 7. So we get 3 squared over 4 squared. What's 3 squared? Sarah? That's 3 times 2. So remember, 3 squared means 3 times 3. And 4 squared, perfect, I heard you say it, means 4 times 4. So you get 9 over 16. So x is 2, y is 3, 4 is, or z is 4, plus 5. So we have to multiply all these numbers together. So 2 times 2 is, I know 2 times 2 is. What's 2 times 2, Zoe? Good. 4 times 3, Sarah? 12. All right, how about 12 times 4? Zoe? Perfect. All right, Ezra, what's 48 plus 5? There you go. Last one that we had to do, number 9. X is 2. 2 times y, which was 3, plus 3 times z, which was 4. So what do I do first, Logan? Yeah, so I'm going to solve inside those parentheses, right? So if I'm solving inside my parentheses, what do I have to do first to kind of simplify that? What am I going to do first? Any thoughts, anybody? What do we do first? Zoe? Yeah, 2 times 3. And then next, 3 times 4. Nevaeh, what's 3 times 4? Very good. Okay, so Logan, you told me to simplify inside my parentheses. What does 6 plus 12 simplify to? Perfect. And 2 times 18, Abby? Awesome. All right, guys, any questions on any of those?